We got a squall happening over there. That's all you got?
Do I look like the Toyota commercial with the big pipes now or what?
Momentarily, it should be interesting.
There are a lot of boats out here.
This came up much faster than we expected. We're in the middle, and the squall is just right here. We got all these other fishing boats around us. But it's been an eventful start to the evening. It's not even started. Whoa! Huge lightning, huge lightning. Oh. I'm Ben, that's Ashley. Together, we did the unimaginable. We sold everything and then set off on a mission to sail around the world.
Civilization. See you later.
Oh, it's a marlin.
The marlin.
Yeah. 28 countries later and over 25,000 nautical miles, we are only halfway around the world.
I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Subscribe to follow the adventure as we finish this lap. Previously on Sailing Nahoa.
We are pregnant.
We didn't think it would work. We're 6 months pregnant right now and we're pretty excited, but we've made a decision to have the baby in Canada.
So the race was on to sail to Thailand, where we could store the boat until our return with a new crewmate. Helping us with this will be some of our patrons.
I'll go back up. Let's back up. We want to have you guys down. This is the draw for the person that's going to come down to Nahoa. Are you ready? Kind of excited. Patrick and Dana. You guys are coming down to the boat. Today's the day. We have patrons on board and here they are.
They're good patrons. They brought beer.
Beer and water.
Oh, more beer.
With the first leg behind us, we are now on the final push, which involved another overnight sail before the straits opened up into the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. In general, the freighter traffic in the Straits of Malacca sticks to two center lanes, one for the eastbound ships and the other for westbound. Outside these two center lanes, it's a bit of a free-for-all with tiny fishing boats, trawlers, tugs, and just general debris. Our master plan was to sail on the very edge of the shipping lanes with the hope not to get run over by the freighters, but also not to get caught up in the nets.
There's a fishing boat doing a drive-by. It's come really close. We might have cut him off, so I'm not 100% sure. Think he's got nets out back? Oh, now we're in Malaysia, and this is a Malaysian fishing boat. Another kind of fishing boat. That's a crazy looking boat. And I have no idea how they come up with their paint jobs. They are absolutely the most fantastic colors.
Is it a mark?
I'm not sure. It's a big piece of garbage or it's a mark. We can't decide.
We're just on the final stretch, and Patrick and Dana are at the helm. They're like comfortable. It's going like 17 knots. They're just chilling.
Super consistent winds finally. It's awesome. No traffic.
You guys are pros, man. You did it.
Learn from the best.
They did a night shift last night, and tonight they're graduated. I'm actually not going to check on them. I checked on them like 3 times last night.
Still astonished you even gave up your boat last night.
I was a little nervous. I was like, Nahoa is in other people's hands. That's okay. It's all good. Tonight they're on their own. I'm going to sleep like a baby.
The nightly migration out here when you're sailing, this is very, very typical. We have fishing boat after fishing boat after fishing boat migrating out. A little lumpy tonight though too, eh?
I bet you all the lights will come on like after dark. It'll be like a light show. We got a squall happening over there, or like a rain dumping thingy. So it should be interesting.
Land to the right.
Momentarily, it should be interesting.
There are a lot of boats out here. Look at these guys splash. Let's try zooming in. And the greatest thing about tonight and the migration is that while we're out here blabbing to you guys about the migration, we have crew doing the dishes. How's the dishes, crew? Great. So you see all sorts of ships coming out of the Malacca Straits. It's crazy. There's been so many different types of ships, so many giant ships, so many small ships, so many fishing boats, so many nets. It's nuts. And we're just coming out of it now, and still there's a ton of traffic. We're out of the narrow bit. It's just a big exercise in paying attention, watching where you're going. And our strategy, which I think worked out pretty good because we didn't catch any fishing nets, our strategy was to hug the shipping lane as close as possible. We were almost in the shipping lane a little bit at times, and just on the very edge. And it seems that the fishing net guys they string these long fishing nets along the surface this time. It's the first time we've ever seen that. They seem to be just a little ways off the shipping lane. I guess trying not to get their nets caught by the ships. Should be an uneventful, you know, fishing boat dodging cruise from here on out.
We got a squall going on, and we got dishes going on inside.
Our very first squall. You called it.
What do you think, Shanna?
It came up really fast.
How much we got, Ash?
32 knots right now.
It's wild out here.
Wow, it's really wild. It's like white capping. It's dark. It's windy. We just dropped the mainsail completely. I don't even know if you can hear me. Wow. Beautiful though.
This came up much faster than we expected. Squalls are one of those things that are always lurking out here. 5 minutes earlier, we were eating a leisurely dinner, watching fishing boats. And now, a gale was building around us. Holy shit, 35, eh?
Yeah, you want to maybe just tie the boom off, or I'll do it. I just... 36.3, 37. Whoa, Ben.
I got the GoPro.
Might blow away.
This is sweet. So you can see on radar right here, we're in the middle, and the squall is just right here. We got all these other fishing boats around us. Should be gone in maybe like half an hour. Woo. I think we're through it, and usually what happens is you get the wind first and then you get the rain, and the rain's happening, so it's good. We'll be on our merry way. The boat will be rinsed off.
We'll just go naked. Woo!
Free showers if you guys want. Unlimited water. Is there anything else we can provide for you?
Maybe just a towel.
A towel. Asking for a walk? What's wrong with the wind? With the squall past us, it was time to pull up the mainsail once again for the upcoming night sail.
Oh my god, you pull it up and really good. It's gonna get stuck in the leaves.
That's all you got?
Do I look like the Toyota commercial with the big pipes now, or what?
Electric.
Okay, Mr. Electric.
The rain has passed, almost. The wind has passed, and the only thing left to do tonight is dodge these fishing boats. There's a whole bunch of them around. You'll see them on this side. They have all their green squid lights on now. It's crazy. But it's been an eventful start to the evening. It's not even started. Whoa. Huge lightning, huge lightning. Whoa.
Amusement ward, passenger ship.
I don't know, there's two ships crossing, but I mean, our viz right now is pretty shit. And I don't see anything on AIS, so I'm not really sure what's happening.
What you want attention?
Maybe they're behind us.
Online double bound, small fishing vessel. I will continue my course speed. Only one, I want to yell you.
There's a batten coming out of the mainsail.
To add to matters, the interesting night, we got a batten coming out. It's popped out of the mainsail. Should we get that?
You want me to stop there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's hooped, man.
What happened?
It's poked through the end. I might be able to fix it, but it'll take me some time, so we'll have to drop it.
Drop it all the way?
Oh, I got that one.
Holy smokes, has it been an epic couple days as we've headed up the Malacca Straits here.
Man, tonight was one of those nights where just unforgettable. Like we had a beautiful dinner, nice calm winds, beautiful sailing, and then 37 knot squall.
Yeah, 37 knots squall, and it really like, okay, the winds have died down, but it has just been like this crazy evening of lightning storms, and it's shocking. They're incredible, they're beautiful. You might be able to see some flashes behind us. Oh my gosh!
You see all those green boats? Oh, there's some. You see all those green boats behind us? Those are fishing boats. They're just like, I think they're squid fishermen again.
Green lights, purple lights, white lights, it's shocking. There's millions of them. And we saw they were all coming out just as we were having dinner. Then that squall hit 37 knots and we all hunkered down, and then bing, 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 just as the squall passed, all the green lights came on. And what a cool evening. Like the lightning is intense. It's not super scary anymore. It's just incredibly outrageous. Like nature is insane. It's been really cool to have crew on board for this too, and patron crew. It's not for the faint-hearted, and they've been absolute troopers. They're taking a shift on night shift tonight. They had a night shift last night, and we'll let you hear from them on how it went.
Yeah, see what they say. We have put together a set of questions for these two gems over here.
Do you think you guys are ready now? Ready to go get a boat and get on it?
It's tough, right? I mean, there's a lot going on consistently. And what'd you guys say? It's like 90% boredom with like 10% sheer
terror.
Terror, yeah. We said, I mean,
it's all boredom and then moments of sheer terror.
And honestly, we experienced that, right? Like
Was it scary?